Okay, back in the Taco Potato Mustang garage. So if you watch my last vlog, you probably think I'm an idiot, or you already know that I'm an idiot, but regardless, let's examine why I'm an idiot. What does this look like to you? It doesn't look like a plus sign, does it? That does. Look at the color of that, that's red. I feel like this is a pretty good indicator that the red one should go here, and maybe the black one should go here. Scuba Steve, I think, somebody Scuba Steve something in the comments pointed this out after my last genius vlog. So now maybe if we just put the right battery cable on the right battery terminal, we can get this secure and go for a drive in the Fox body. Okay, we flipped the battery around. Now let's try the negative. Wow, it's like already a very obvious tighter fit. Now I can't find my, oh, never mind, hang on. Wow. And if I had been smart enough to figure this out earlier, I would have noticed that the positive battery terminal is noticeably bigger than the negative. Also probably could have figured that out on the internet, I assume. Wow. Look at that. Big brain battery energy here. Okay, now let's just see if the car starts. Here we go. The light, the map light, whatever, the night light thing came on. Overhead light, lamp, dome light. God, I can't speak. The dome light came on. Car started. Wow. Incredible. Good job, Scuba Steve. Jeez. Okay, now it's pretty cold out, but we're gonna go for a drive here. I gotta move the Subaru though. Feels pretty good to drive the Fox body. I'm a little scared to stop anywhere and turn the car off in fear that it will not turn back on, even though I did replace the battery and things appear to be back to homeostasis for now. Wow, now we can check something off of the growing list. Wow. We accomplished something.